Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing well. Today I want to show you how the cutting tools working. My last video I just introduced the tools, and this video I'm gonna show you how these tools working. The first one is shear or scissors, the regular one that we using for just a blunt cut. Make a regular cut, blunt cut. Sometime we using for texturizing too, or point cut. Just make a texturize with a point cut. And also we using for slide cut. It means we just slide the shear on the hair and cut. The second one is a texturizing shear. We call it thinning shears as well, or taping shears. We use this shear for texturize the hair if you wanna remove the bulk. For example, you had this haircut and you feel this part of hair or this part of hair is a bulky, is lots of volume, and sometimes when some part is more volume and some part is less volume, it doesn't make it looks nice. So to solve this problem, we're using this shear. This shear, as I told in my last video, doesn't move all the hair because of the teeth that this shears has. It cut almost 1/3 of the hair. Here I'm gonna show you. When you cut the hair with this, see, still you have the same length. You have to do few times to remove all the hair that you need. We use this shear to remove the bulk. Usually for this reason, we get the vertical section from top to bottom, vertically section. And if we need just remove the bulk from the tips and make it smooth tip or softer, we just doing 1 2 3 1 2 3. Not all of them the same place. See, 1 2 3 1 2 3, not the same place. 1 2 3 1 2 3. And sometimes we need just take a bulk from the whole hair, then you can start almost inch from the roots and 1 2 3. This way you can remove some bulk and give a texturize to the hair. Texturizing for hair is very important because it makes a nice shape after haircut. Razor, the way that we holding the razor, we hold the razor like this, and there is some space here. You can put your small finger here and hold it like this, manage it like this, and then you slice the hair and just slide the razor on the hair. There is a tip that I want to mention about the razor. When you're using the razor, always make a wet the hair. Don't use razor on dry hair because it pulling hair and it's so painful for client. And the second, don't use the razor for curly hair, very curly hair. That way, after a while, after a few days, the hair is gonna turn to frizzy. So don't use razor for curly hair. The last one is a clipper machine or clipper. We use the clipper for making very short hair that sometimes is impossible with scissor. When we want to cut the hair very short, almost close to skin, we're using the clipper. And the way that I mentioned before. Open the clipper. There is some adjustment here too. Start from against the hair growth, and when you want to stop here, don't stop straight up. Start here and up. Start here and up. Start here behind the stuff and curve it. In this way you blend it. Don't hold it all the hair. In this way you blending. You're blending between short to long. See, all the time I'm going away from the skin. First on the skin and then away. I hope these tools helps you to make a good haircut at home and you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.